Hi friends, welcome to my channel. My channel name is Maria Solagam. Today I'm going to tell you about the recipe for weight loss. Here is the recipe for weight loss. It's called egg dumpling and also called as podimas in Tamil. Since people from many countries have been watching my videos, so I thought of using official language English so that everybody could understand what I'm saying. So here is bell peppers, green bell peppers, also known as capsicum. Have taken half of the capsicum for it. Here are homegrown tomatoes. I have taken 3 tomatoes. Here are onions. Have taken medium sized shallots for this. 5 onions have taken. And also I have taken 10 eggs for this for making egg dumpling. We are going to see a good weight loss recipe today for lunch. I had made chapati dough. Since this dish goes well with chapati, so I have made multigrain atta in my home. So I'm giving you a glance for this. In the upcoming videos, I will tell more about multigrain atta, that is multigrain chapati, for making at home. Here I have used rice flour, multigrains such as millets, paddy, etc. And also I have used ragi and wheat. Also I've added some protein powder to it. Using ghee or oil and water, you can make this dough. So always any side dish such as sabjis, Indian gravies goes always well with chapatis. So I'm going to make chapati for lunch. Now I have taken a vessel and switched on the flame so that all the the water present in it will get absorbed by the heat, and then we should add the oil. Now for this we shall add the oil. I have added 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. In the upcoming steps we shall add the successive ingredients whatever we are going to use for this recipe. I've added half of the capsicum which I had already kept, and I told you now we have to take a spatula and we have to sort out well. As I said already, capsicum will shed some water as its nature. It is the nature of the capsicum, so that we must lessen the oil so that it won't pop out. In this mid stage, I am adding some amount of asafoetida powder. And you have to sort it well. Next, we can add the onions which I have kept. I have added the onions and I am going to sort it out well. Since capsicum contains high amount of antioxidants and multivitamins, it helps us to reduce our weight. Also, it doesn't make us go very it doesn't make us go lazy, and also helps us to reduce our bad fats in our body. It also burns good calories, so that it helps us to in fact it helps us to reduce our weight. Now we have added the onions. Capsicum is slightly shedding water, so we must wait till the water gets absorbed by the pan. So that till then we have to sort out the onion and the capsicum well. Onions are getting sorted out well and the water is getting absorbed. By the side, we have taken 10 eggs and we have popped it up and poured it in a vessel. So we have to beat it well, and then we have to pour it into the vessel after everything is very well sorted out. Till the onion goes golden brown, we must sort it out well. In the other side, we have taken the 10 eggs and we have to add some flavored powders for the eggs so that it gets up flavored and it is very much healthy for our diet. I've taken a tablespoon of pepper, a tablespoon of turmeric, a tablespoon of fennel seeds powder and required amount of salt. We have to mix it well and keep it aside till every ingredients, other vegetables get sorted out well. Since the onion has turned golden brown and the water got absorbed, next step we have to add tomatoes. Tomatoes must be finely chopped so that it will get mixed out well. Now we can mix this well. Meanwhile, for spice we are adding chili powder, red chili powder. And Indian chilies are very much spice, and so that I am adding a pinch of Indian chili powder. The tomatoes got smashed up well, and you can see the color of the dish turning out red in color. It gives a nice aromatic feeling, also a good flavored one. Now it's time to pour the egg which I've kept there. So now I'm going to pour all the eggs mixed up well, and we have to sort it out well so that it comes shrinked and well preserved. Now I have poured the eggs. We have to mix it well so that the dumpling gets made up. The egg dumpling. Now the egg dumpling has come out well. Till it gets dried, we must sort it out well. Now in this stage, we can add some freshly chopped coriander leaves for flavor. I've added freshly chopped coriander leaves. Now we can mix it out well and we can switch off the flame. Now our egg dumpling is perfectly ready. Next step is to make multigrain chapati. Let's see how to do it. It goes well when you serve Indian dishes using mud pot or clay pots, and also it gets preserved well even though if you keep it for 2 days. Here's a small tip for gardeners. Please don't throw your eggshells. Grind it into a powder, a fine powder, and sprinkle it for your plants so that your plants grows healthier and much better than before. Now I've taken the chapati dough and we have to make it into balls how much ever we need it, and then we have to make beautiful chapati rotis. I've taken 3 round balls for the chapati. To make it very beautiful, we must knead the balls very well, and then we have to start kneading the dough and then making rotis. First, for kneading chapatis, we must sprinkle some raw wheat flour upon this wooden surface like this. Next step, we have to take the balls and we have to dress it upon the raw wheat flour. Now it's dressed up well. We can start kneading the dough. Now the chapati roti is very well kneaded, and we can knead the other 2 balls in the same manner. Make sure your chapati is kneaded in round shape, and so that it is very much easier to take it in the tawa and cook it out well. The 3 dough balls are kneaded very much clearly and in a thin sheets so that we can take it and easily we can cook it up in tawa and make rotis. Now I've switched on the flame and I've placed the tawa. After heating the tawa, we can make rotis. Now the tawa is heated very well. We can use this tawa for making rotis. Now I'm going to take the kneaded dough and put on this, and I'm going to make rotis. I've taken the roti. I'm not going to add any oil or ghee, as I already added ghee and oil in the dough before making. Now it gets puffed up well, and then it's a round shaped chapatis are very much easier for us to make rotis. So in India, we used to make round shape. We used to knead the dough in round shape so that it gets very much roasted, and it puffs up well as pulka. See, chapati is very well cooked the one side. So again we have to cook it for the other side. To make it, we have to get this texture so that it denotes us it is cooked. See this? It looks well brownish in color. See the other side? It is already cooked. It denotes us it is cooked. Look at this. On the other hand, I have taken a single piece of cucumber. I've peeled it, washed it and peeled it. Now we have to make it into round. We have to cut it into round slices and we can make it into a salad. I've cut these cucumbers into fine round shapes. By the other side, I made this drink. This drink can be consumed instead of tea or coffee. This helps in great weight loss. That is curry leaf buttermilk. Buttermilk and curry leaf extract is added. Both are mixed, and with a pinch of salt we can consume it. By adding a pinch of salt we can consume it. Also, it is very much good for health, and it's a good dairy product which also helps for your weight loss. The dish is completely ready. A yummy dish, very tasty and healthy, and also helps us for weight loss. Yeah, this is your diet. This must be the content and this must be the quantity for your intake. If you like this video, please subscribe and also follow for more videos. Thank you very much.